Here what we can see is I'm just cleaning the throttle body, and using the throttle body cleaner. Some say you can use intake cleaner, so you can without taking it off, you can just put it there and just spray it into your horses, and while the engine is running. But I'm using just the throttle body cleaner. That's a bit of a carbon we can see I took off. Now what we're going to do is put all the things back together. You can see there are 4 nuts that hold in the throttle body controller, so I'll put them back together so the job is done. I really recommend when you're using throttle body cleaner, turn off the engine and take the throttle body off, because that's the best way to do it. Otherwise it will ruin your engine if it goes inside. Since this is a electrical throttle body, I don't have cables, so that's the best way. Thank you for watching.